Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the final round AI for job interviews. Okay, so job interviews can be scary, especially when you don't know what questions will be asked or how to answer confidently. But today, I'll show you how to use the final round AI. So, this one, an interview coach that will help you to practice, improve your answers, and boost your confidence. So, if you are a student, fresh graduate, or a job seeker, this tool is for you. Okay, so the Final Round AI is an online platform that helps you prepare for job interviews using, artificial intelligence or AI. So, it can simulate real interview questions, analyze your answers, give feedback on, charity, confidence, and structure, and even help tailor answers for specific job rules. Okay, so think of it as your personal interview coach available anytime. Okay, so yeah, first you just have to go to the Final Round AI website. So just open any of your web browser and then you just have to search for Final Round AI. That's right. Okay, and then you have this first website, so you just have to simply tap on this one. And then if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to sign in. Okay, so you have the sign in and the sign up button at the top. So if you don't have an account, you just have to sign up for one. And then you can also download the application for Mac and PC. So you have here the link so that you can download the app. Okay, so before practicing, you need to set your interview goal. Okay, so you just have to click for new interviews or start practice. But yeah, let me just sign in first. Okay, so I'm just going to use my Google account, and then you just have to choose your Google account. Okay, so once you are done, you need to finish the three steps, but I'm just going to skip to Copilot. Okay, and then here I am just going to end this interview for now. Okay, so as you can see, once you have signed up for an account, you'd be directed to your dashboard. Okay, so again, the job position you're applying for, you have to choose that, and then the industry, and sometimes the company name. So this step is important because the AI customizes the questions based on your target rule. Okay, so let's go to the preparation section. So here you can upload your resume, your cover letters, job description, and career details to Final Round AI Drive, and then get smarter, personalized AI responses tailored to your goals. Of course, you have to know to let the AI know what job are you looking for. Okay, next one is the Final Round AI will ask common interview questions like tell me about yourself, what are your strengths and weaknesses, and why should we hire you. Okay, so let's go and do a Mac interview. So tap on the Mac interview option right here. So yeah, just tap on the request option and then you just have to allow your laptop. Okay, so here you have a Mac interview and live interview, so we are going to use the mock interview. Now it's building your interview room. Of course, you also need to open your camera. Okay, so the Final Round AI will ask common interviews questions like tell me about yourself, what are your strengths and your weaknesses, and why should we hire you. So you can answer by typing your response or recording your voice or video. And you just have to answer naturally, just like in real interview. Okay, and then after you submit your answer, okay, so the AI gives an instant feedback. So it checks how clear your answer is, if you're too long or too short, your confidence level, and whether your answer matches the job rule. So this is one of my favorite parts because it tells you exactly what are you going to improve. Okay, so right here you have to select your resume, and of course your rule depends on the field that you filled out, and then your language, and then your model, Okay, and then your answer length, tone of answers, and then you just have to drop the PDF files or click to upload right here. Okay, so yeah, you can also revise your answer based on the feedback. So the final round AI suggests um, better sentence structure, stronger keywords, or more professional wording. So practice the same question multiple times until your score improves. So this helps you sound more confident and prepared. Okay, so let me just close this interview. Okay, that's right. So let me just return home. Okay, so as you can see, we also have the interview copilot right here. So if you want and if you are ready to go with live interview, the copilot will be your side for your real interviews. For example, you are going to choose this one. Okay, so you need to connect to your interview meeting room. Okay, so here you just have to choose your window, and then after that you'd be able to see here the answers from the co-pilot. So all you have to do is to read your answer. Okay, and it will give you more chances to get accepted with the job that you are applying for. Okay, so here when you tap on the job hunter, so the job hunter is your 24/7 automated job assistant that finds and supplies jobs instantly when they're posted. So it customizes resumes for each role, bypasses ATS filters, and ensures that you're first in line with optimized applications that land more interviews. So again, it's very important to choose your resume. You have to upload your resume right here, and then your the years of experience, so you have that right here. And then for your rule, so you have your job categories right here, your location, and then the work authorization. And if you are legally authorized to work in your chosen country, and you just have to answer these questions that you can find here. Okay, so if you want to see the pricing, so let's go to the pricing first. So here, as you can see, we have the free plan, which is this one. It only includes the basic interview copilot and the basic AI models. But if you want to upgrade your plan and proceed with your yearly plan, you have $25 per month. This one is billed yearly for $300 only. So if you want to unlock the full access, as you can see, you have unlimited interview copilot sessions and fully undetectable desktop application. And of course, you also have the quarterly plan and the monthly plan. So it's up to you what kind of subscription you are going to choose. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.